Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Okay, so now we continue with chapter 9, which is installment purchase. Okay, so you can open your notes. Okay, so an introduction of installment purchase. Some retailers and wholesalers sell their product on an installment basis. In an installment purchase, a down payment is made and followed by a series of regular payments, usually monthly or weekly. When you are an installment buyer, you are paying more than the cash price. The difference is the interest you have to pay for the credit given to you by the seller. The learning objective for this chapter are: explain the meaning of installment purchase, understand how the interest rate is charged on the original balance and the reducing balance of credit, compute the interest rate charged on the original balance of credit, compute the interest rate charged on the reducing balance of credit. Okay, then last one, compute the outstanding balance and unearned interest of the lender under the rule of 78. Okay, so saya terangkan kat sini apa maksud installment purchase. Normally, an installment purchase requires a down payment. Therefore, original balance equals to cash price minus down payment, or B equals to CP minus DP. B for original payment balance, C cash price and D for down payment. Okay, so saya terangkan kat sini dia sebenarnya untuk installment purchase, sebenarnya dia adalah jualan yang awak buat secara bulanan. So contohnya awak nak bayar, awak tak bayar sekali terus. So kita bayar by monthly, setiap bulan ataupun weekly. Then biasanya kalau installment purchase dia memerlukan down payment. So down payment maknanya contohnya harga barang tu adalah 1,000. So awak nak buat installment purchase tapi awak bayar dulu down payment 100. So balance lagi ada 900. Okay, so this one we call 900 ni sebenarnya adalah original balance. Okay, then cash price yang ni maknanya harga kalau kita bayar secara tunai dia adalah nilai 1,000, and then down payment contohnya awak bayar 100. Okay. The installment price is the total amount paid in an installment plan by the buyer. There are two ways to calculate installment price. Okay, installment price equals to cash price plus total interest, or IP equals to CP plus I, or installment price equals to down payment plus total monthly payment. Okey, apa maksud dia kat sini? Sebenarnya bila awak nak buat installment, okey, contohnya yang paling mudah kalau kita tengok dalam kehidupan seharian kita ada cost mammoth kan. Okey, so kedai cost mammoth tu biasanya digunakan konsep installment purchase. Okey, maksudnya kalau macam harga barang tu awak just bayar dulu down payment, kalau awak tak ada cash, so month by month awak bayar secara ansuran. So installment purchase ni ataupun dalam bahasa mudah ansuran kan, ansuran mudah. Okey, so cumanya untuk mendapatkan keuntungan, okey, biasanya penjual tu dia contohnya macam ni, dalam kes ni harga barang adalah 1,000. So awak bayar deposit 100, balance dia 900. Kalau awak bayar cash, awak kena bayar 900. Tapi kalau awak nak bayar secara ansuran, dia dah tak jadi 900. So mungkin nilai dia makin bertambah. Sebab apa bertambah? Dia ada interest. So sebab tu kalau tak macam tak ada keuntungan lah dia kan kalau harga sama dengan bayaran cash. Okay, so installment price dia ambil nilai cash price. So contohnya yang ni lah, kalau cash price for example this one 1,000 dia plus dengan total interest. Okay, or dia ada dua, satu lagi awak ambil down payment, awak tambah dengan total monthly payment. So awak akan dapat installment price. Maknanya kita ada dua lah, satu cash price. Cash price ni maknanya awak bayar teruskan secara tunai, and then another one is installment price. Okay, installment price yang ni kena guna dua formula. Okay, next the monthly payment can be calculated by, monthly payment ni maknanya bila awak nak bayar secara bulanan, kita boleh guna formula, monthly payment is original balance plus total interest divide by number of payment. So monthly payment maknanya bayaran bulanan, kita tandakan dengan R. So equals to original balance is B plus total interest which is I divide by N number of payment. There are two methods to calculate the interest charge in the installment scheme. That is interest based on the original balance or interest based on the reducing balance, or this one we call constant ratio formula. So untuk nilai interest kat sini yang ni I, so dia ada dua cara. Satu, kita boleh kira interest based on original balance. Satu lagi reducing balance. So nanti saya tunjukkan by example macam mana dia nak kira interest based on original balance ataupun reducing balance. Dan kalau dia kata guna constant ratio formula, maksudnya automatic awak kena tahu yang ni reducing balance. Sebab kadang-kadang certain case dia just kata by using calculate the interest by using constant ratio formula. So kalau constant ratio formula maksudnya interest based on the reducing balance. So kita pergi pada next topic, interest based on the original balance. Kita fokus pada yang ni dulu. Nak kira interest based on original balance. When the interest charge based on the original balance, the simple interest formula used to calculate the interest. So yang ni, sebelum ni kita ada gunakan formula I equals to PRT. So I equals to PRT yang simple interest formula yang biasa. So kalau interest based on original balance, sama juga formula I equals to BRT. Cuma kat sini sebelum ni kita guna P sebagai principal. Now kita guna B adalah balance. So boleh, so we use formula I equals to BRT. This one interest based on the original balance. Let we discuss example 1. Haris bought a television listed at RM3,500 cash through an installment plan. He paid 350 as a down payment. So yang ni adalah cash price. Kita tanda dulu kat sini. Cash price 350 adalah down payment. The balance was settled by making 10 monthly installments. If the interest rate charged 9% per annum on original balance, find first total balance. So untuk total balance ataupun original balance, awak boleh guna formula cash price minus down payment. Maknanya kita nak tahu berapa lagi balance yang dia perlu bayar. So kita ambil harga asal television tu adalah 3,500. Yang tu harga cash. And then dia dah bayar deposit sebanyak 350. So balance yang dia perlu selesaikan adalah 3,150. Maksudnya kalau dia nak bayar cash terus, dia kena bayar 3,150. So next question is total interest charge. So kalau dia nak buat secara installment, dia kena ada interest. So dia kata kat sini interest based on original balance. So kalau dia kata interest based on original balance, you use formula I equals to BRT. So original balance B kita ambil daripada soalan 1 tadi, which is 3,150 ataupun 3,150. Your R is 0.09 sebab kat sini 9% interest rate, and then 10/12. 10 because 10 month kan, tempoh dia 10 bulan. Why you divide by 12? Sebab kalau diberi dalam monthly, so awak kena baca lah kat sini. Kalau monthly maksudnya dia bulanan. So bila bulan kena divide by 12. So you get the interest charge. Next is installment. price. Okay, installment price maksudnya kalau awak nak buat secara ansuran, so formula for installment price or installment purchase is CP plus I. Maksudnya cash price, okay, harga tadi 3,500. Yang ni kalau awak bayar cash, awak kena tambah dengan interest, which is 236.25. So maknanya kalau awak bayar secara cash, nilainya adalah 3,500. Kalau awak bayar secara ansuran, nilainya adalah 3,736.25. So nampak tak, dia market, dia memang nilai untuk installment price ni kan, sebab dia nak dapatkanlah keuntungan sebab awak dah bayar secara ansuran. So dia akan tambah dengan interest. Okay, then monthly payment maksudnya berapa bayaran yang awak kena buat setiap bulan untuk selesaikan sebanyak 10 bulan. So we use formula R equals to B plus I divide by N. So balance dia adalah 3,150. Okay, tambah dengan interest 236.25. Then divide by 10. So bahagi dengan 10. So jawapan dia 338.63. Yang ni kalau yang ni maknanya setiap bulan kita kena bayar dengan nilai yang ni. Okay, so boleh this one untuk pengiraan installment price based on interest on the original balance. Okay. So kat sini you all boleh solve untuk B. Sekejap saya tengok. Okay, this one boleh solvekan untuk example 2 sama juga. Yang ni harga asal dia 1,500, down payment 10% through an installment plan. Okay, the balance was settled by making 24 monthly installment. Yang ni maknanya end dia sama dengan 24. Interest rate charge 7%. So R equals to 7% based on original balance. Okay, so the total balance banyak. Cumanya yang ni dia just kata down payment. Dia kata down payment 10%. Macam example satu tadi dia dah bagi, dia kata down payment dia dah bayar 350. Tapi yang ni dia kata down payment 10%. Maksudnya yang ni awak kena kira dulu down payment. Okay, down payment macam mana nak kira? 10% daripada harga asal. So this one maknanya dia bayar down payment 150. So dia tak bagi tahu terus yang down payment tu adalah 150. Cuma dia trick kita, dia kata 10%. So kita kena banyak gunakan formula lah kat sini untuk solvekan question tu. Okay, so soalan lain sama. The total interest charge guna formula I equals to BRT. And then monthly payment. Okay, monthly payment maknanya guna formula R kan. Okay, R. And then installment price. Okay, installment price. So this one you can try to solve. Okay, how about example 3? Amirah bought jewellery set at 15,000 by paying a down payment 4,000. Okay, this one. So cash price dia adalah 15,000 ataupun 15,000. Down payment dia dah bagi dah 4,000. The balance was paid through 25 monthly payment. So N equals to 25 at 8% per annum. Okay, 8%, this one is interest charge. If the interest charge on the original balance, calculate the monthly payment. So yang ni sama. Yang ni maknanya kita kena kira monthly payment R, the installment price. Installment price. Okay, so you try to solve all this question. Okay, then example 4. Okay, saya rasa example 4 pun tak ada masalah. Mr. Raja bought a computer set by making down payment 550 and the balance was settled by making 24 equal monthly payment. So your N is 24. Okay, the interest charge was 5% based on the original balance. If the cash price of the computer set was 5,000, fine. So yang ni pun sama juga Maknanya kat sini down payment dia dah bagi 550, cash price 5,000, down payment, cash price, and then 5% interest rate, 24 equal monthly. This one is N. So you need to find monthly payment, which is R, and you need to find installment price. Okay. Then last one, example 5. Okay, example 5. Munira bought an electrical appliance through an installment plan in which she paid RM300 down payment. So this one is down payment. She had to make 12 monthly payment. So this one is N of 230 to settle the unpaid balance. Okay, if the dealer charge an interest 5% per annum on the original balance, find the installment price of the item. So yang ni awak kena kira installment price. Okay, so dia dah bagi, maknanya dia kata dia buat bayaran N sama dengan 12 sebanyak 230 setiap bulan. So macam mana kita nak tahu installment price dia 230, sebab yang ni dah nilai R ni. Kat yang ni dia tak bagi kan monthly payment ni adalah R. Okay, yang ni awak kena cari. But this one dia dah bagi dah monthly payment 230. Maknanya R 230 kita akan darab dengan 12. Okay, 12 bulan sebab dia kata she had to make 12 monthly payment. Okay, then you can calculate the cash price of the item. Maknanya yang ni installment price ni berapa, and then original balance, down payment dibayar adalah 300. So awak kena cari kat sini cash price of the item. Okay, so yang ni untuk interest based on the original balance.